Hi everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video we will solve 10 power x plus 100 power x equals 1000 power x. Find the value of x. So we will start the solution of this question. We are given 10 power x plus 100 power x equals 1000 power x. Now divide 1000 power x on both sides of the equation. Thousand power x cancel with 1000 power x. We have now here we will use a formula a power n divided by b power n equals a by b whole power n. So the equation now becomes 10 by 1000 power x hundred by 1000 power x equals 1. This 0 cancel with this 0 cancel with this. We have now we can write this as moreover we can write this as 1 divided by 10 whole power x power square plus 1 divided by 10 power x equals 1. Let 1 divided by x power 10 power x equals to y. Put this here, it will be y square plus y equals 1. Y square plus y minus 1 equals 0. This is quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Use the quadratic formula. So what is the value of a? 1 b 1 c minus 1. So it will be y equals minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square minus 4 ac divided by 2 is 1. Y equals minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 4 divided by 2. Y equals minus 1 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 2. So we have two values of y, minus 1 plus square root 5 divided by 2, minus 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. We will find the value of x with respect to y1 and y2. Earlier we have supposed that 1 divided by 10 power x equals y. So 1 by 10 whole power x equals y. What is y? 1 divided by 10 whole power x equals minus 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Take log on both sides. Using the power rule of log, it will be x times log of 1 divided by 10 equals divide this whole term on both sides. We get x equals divided by log of 1 over 10. Know that log of m divided by log of n equal log of m to the base n. So x will be equal to log of minus 1 plus square root 5 divided by 2 to the base 1 divided by 10. This is the value of x from y1. Now we will do for y2. 1 by 10 power x. What is y2? Minus 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. But in order to find the value of x here, on the right hand side, minus 1 minus square root of 5 will be a negative term. So here we will reject this case because in order to find the value of x here, we will need negative term here. And it cannot be solved. So only value of x is this, log of minus 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 to the base 1 by 10. This is the final answer of this question. I hope you understand this solution. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye.